In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. If you find yourself needing to adjust invoices for credits or returns, then generating a credit note in Zoho Books is an essential task, and I'm here to help guide you through each step. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, you'll find this process straightforward and intuitive. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the standard sign-in page and click on Sign In. It's that simple. If you prefer to streamline your login process, you can also sign in directly using your Google account. Simply click on Google, choose your account, and you'll be logged in swiftly without having to remember another password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate over to the Sales tab in Zoho Books. This tab is your gateway to all transactions related to sales, including the creation of credit notes. So, click on Sales, which will bring you to a page filled with options related to your sales operations. Now you'll specifically want to go to the credit notes section. This is where all the magic happens in regard to drafting new credit notes or managing existing ones. Click on credit notes and you'll be directed to a page that lists all your credit notes, both past and current. To create a new one, look for the option that says create new credit note. This is your starting point for documenting any returns or credits you need to issue to your customers. Click that button and you'll be taken to a form where you can input all the necessary details. First, you'll need to choose a customer. Selecting the appropriate customer is crucial as it directly ties the credit note to them. You can either search through your existing customer list or enter new customer information if it's a first-time issue. After selecting the customer, proceed to create the actual credit note. Here, you'll fill in basic details such as the credit note reference and the date. It's important to note that the reference should be unique and descriptive for ease of future retrieval and documentation. Next, you'll enter the credit note date. Click on the date field and a calendar will pop up. Choose the specific date you want the credit note to take effect. This date can be today's date or one in the past, depending on when the credit or return was initiated. Now it's time to add the item you are issuing the credit for. Select the appropriate item and input the relevant price. Be accurate with the pricing to ensure that your accounts reflect true transactional data. Finally, with all the fields carefully filled out, your last step is to click on Save as Open. This action saves your credit note as an open item, meaning it's active and will reflect in your customer's account and your own records in Zoho Books. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books. That wasn't so hard, was it? I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Keep exploring Zoho Books for more features that simplify your accounting tasks.